5 services that freelancers could sell. Virtual assistants. Freelancers can offer virtual assistant services to businesses or individuals who need help with administrative tasks such as scheduling appointments, managing emails, and data entry. Project management. Freelancers can offer project management services to businesses or individuals who need help managing projects such as event planning, software development, or marketing campaigns. This includes creating project plans, delegating tasks, and ensuring that projects are completed on time and within budget. Digital marketing. Freelancers can offer digital marketing services to businesses or individuals who need help with online marketing efforts such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media management, and email marketing. This includes developing marketing strategies, creating content, and analyzing results to optimize performance. Writing and editing. Freelancers can offer writing and editing services to businesses or individuals who need help with content creation such as blog posts, website copy, and marketing materials. This includes conducting research, developing concepts, and writing or editing content to ensure that it is high quality and meets the client's needs. Web development. Freelancers can offer web development services to businesses or individuals who need help with website creation or maintenance. This includes designing and developing websites, ensuring that they are optimized for search engines, and integrating features such as e-commerce functionality or contact forms. Thanks for watching.